how to fix the iPhone 14 Personal Hotspot not working. In this video, I'll show you several quick solutions to get your iPhone 14 hotspot working again. If another device can't connect to your hotspot, just follow these steps. So make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials. First, open the Settings app and tap Personal Hotspot. Make sure Allow Others to Join is turned on. Keep this screen open while connecting your other device. Next, go to Settings, tap Cellular, and make sure cellular data is turned on. Also check that you have an active cellular connection and that your carrier supports Personal Hotspot. After that, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it off. Try connecting to your iPhone's hotspot again. If the problem continues, restart your iPhone 14 and the device you're trying to connect. You can also turn Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and back on before trying again. Finally, if nothing works, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Remember that this will remove all your saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so you'll need to reconnect to them afterward. And that's it. That's how you can fix the iPhone 14 hotspot not working. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.